Hey everyone, this is M Reviews. I wanted to talk to you guys today about the Philips Natural Avent Bottles. I'll go over the features with you. The back is written in French, front is English. So this bottle comes with the 1 month plus nipple. So I'll show you which flow that is and I'll show you how to find it on the bottle. But I got this on Amazon. It comes with two 9-ounce bottles because I had the 4 ounces and my baby wanted some more, so I just got the 9-ounce bottles to just give more space in the bottle. And let's go over these bottles. So this is a natural response nipple, which baby drinks, swallows, and breathes using like their natural rhythm. So it's a no drip nipple design, and it has an anti-colic valve. So if the baby's not drinking, then it will not drip during that time. It says right here, works like a breast. The natural response nipple is designed with the unique opening and tip, which only releases milk when your baby actively drinks. So when pausing to swallow and breathe, no milk will flow. So this is great for combining breast and bottle feeding because the unique breast-like shape, and the baby has the ability to control what's coming out. So right here, it says it again, choose the right flow. Natural response nipples are available in different flow rates to keep up with your baby's growth. So again, like I said in my other nipple video, replace them every 3 months for hygiene reasons, and use the nipples with only their specific bottles. So 5 reasons why. Natural response nipple, the no drip design, everything that we just went over. And it only has 4 parts. I know a lot of you don't like a lot of parts. Only 4 parts. This is how it looks. The 4 parts. 1, cap. 2, the nipple. 3 is this piece right here. 4 is the actual bottle. Some people don't know how to remove this, so let me show you. You push down with your hands, and it'll come out just like that if you have to ever like replace your nipple. This is a size 3 flow rate, so if that is too fast for your baby, you're gonna go ahead and change that out. When you're changing it to put it back in, you just go from the bottom and you pull upward, and you make sure that it's properly placed, which it is. So this is the Philips Natural bottle. I find that my baby prefers this bottle. Like I've had the Philips, I've had Dr. Brown's, I've had this one, and I also just got some Papillon bottles, which I'll also do a video about as well, and the reason why I did decide to try that. But I find that this one is my baby's favorite bottle, the Philips Avent. So if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down in the comments which bottle does your baby prefer and why. If there's any questions that you may have, I'll be glad to answer those. Thank you for watching.